Hi everyone, I am Prathamesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to speak 10 lines on National Constitution Day. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Constitution is a set of basic principles and rules according to which a country is governed. The National Constitution Day of India is celebrated annually on 26th November. It was started by the 14th Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, in 2015. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950 at 10:18 a.m., after which India became a republic country. It is the longest written constitution of the world. The objective behind celebrating the day is to promote the constitutional value among Indians. The Constitution Day is a tribute to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the first law minister of India and a father of Indian Constitution. It is mandatory to celebrate the day in every school and college. The day is observed to maintain the unity and integrity among Indians. The National Constitution Day makes us stay rooted with our history and remembers us to stay united. If you like this video, then do remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.